how to start your career as work from home job. You have no PC, no laptop, even not broadband connection. So don't worry, I am here for giving you that way by using these tips and tricks and applying here. You can definitely get a good income by doing work from home job. So if you are interested, then considering subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you never miss the updates from Udita's Classroom. Hi, this is Udita. You are watching Udita's Classroom, where I am telling about work from home, online money earning strategies, and sometimes of private job notifications, and also some writing tips and tricks by using which one should be successful in article writing, content writing, academic writing, as well as freelancing career. So guys, today I am here for describing multi-purpose positions about work from home job career, and that is published only one and only genuine website. If you are interested, then you have to see this video. Don't skip this video because there are the various openings are coming out and I am announcing here, I am telling here what is the job role, different role, who can apply, what should be your eligibility criteria for various posts, and the salary structure, and from where you have to do this job, and if you either their PC or laptop or mobile, what should be required. All the informations are discussed here in details. So if you are interested, you have to see this video. So guys, planetspark.com is a renamed website and they have announced various openings from teaching to non-teaching staff. If you have passion to teach, or you haven't interest to teach, but you have the idea how to sell product, how to manage social media marketing, how to handle the customer, then you also apply here. So here the various posts: telecaller to sales executive to teaching staff, online tutor. All the posts are published, all the openings are published here from the planetspark.com. So you have mobile, either you have laptop or you have PC, you can definitely do this work. So go to check my description box where I will mention the link. You have to click here and apply for this job. And one thing is that the salary is good. Here various posts, the different salaries is varied here, but the approx 15k to 30k you will make, I am sure, and you have to apply here. Go and quickly apply here. And one thing is that facility that this is a flexible job, work from home job, so you can do this work according to your spare timing. You have to manage 2 to 4 hours in your day and do the work in where field you will be selected. After applying here, if your CV will be selected, then they will conduct a telephonic interview. They will inform you through phone or email that what time they want to conduct an interview with you, and that is the telephonic interview where you will be attend, and they will check your communication skill. So guys, now let's go to my computer screen and let's check what the positions are coming out here. So guys, it's time to explore a career at Planet Spark, where you can see that business development associate, tele-sales associate, online math teacher, customer support executive, online teaching, English teacher, teacher training, English business development management, and you have to night shift English teacher, business development management. Various posts are coming out, and all of the posts basically that is the work from home job career, and you have to apply here in all of the posts. Now check online math teacher. Here the job description, that is you have a good expert, be the expert in maths, and you have to teach here online. Ensure the great learning outcomes by teacher using Planet Spark's engaging learning content. Now here you have to provide constant feedback to parents and to the Planet Spark learning team. and you have to devote here 2 hours per day, and the week is here 6 days a week, and you have internet connection and laptop here. You would be trained in the inspirational teaching program for 1 week, leading to a certificate from Planet Spark. The program would equip with you becoming a better teacher and teach through the Planet Spark methodology. It will also teach your entrepreneurship and communication skills also. So guys, if you be selected here and will get this type of training, it will be good for your in future career. Okay, now come here, check the another job vacancies like business development associate. So here that where you will be provided a database and you have to deliver the sales pitches and converting the cold leads to the customer and the partners. High incentive here also mentioned, and candidates must get driven, and hardcore BDA role, and you have to manage here, you have to maintain here. Now come here the next, that is telesales executive, where you can see that a cold calling on the database. So they will provide you a database and you have to make some call to the customer and partners. Here the target oriented job, that is 200 calls per day is a must, and also high incentive also mentioned here. And now come here the next one, like customer support executive, that is understand the customer's query, and you have to handle all the queries, all the questions, all the doubts of the customer, and you have to answer properly. And here maintain the relationship with customer by providing support, informations and guidance, and providing them with 100% satisfaction on the product they purchase. So you have to tell there the actual product review, and you have good communication skill in English and Hindi, and if you have the knowledge for the another languages, then that would be a better advantage for your career. And key accountability and deliverable, interact with customer through calls, that means it is a voice processing job here you have to do here. So I think this job must be handled by your phone only, so don't worry. Here the link also available, you have to go and apply here. So how do you apply? Like I am giving one example here, like apply, and this is the teacher training design and delivery. Now come here, teacher on the job training. If you like this job, you have to fulfill here your full name, phone, email ID, that is valid email ID through which they will contact with you, either phone or email. So you have to fill here phone number and email genuinely. Why should we work with you? So here you have to describe that what is actually reason of your hiring or of your selection, and also why you are interested to be the part of Planet Spark. Here resume, you have to apply here, fulfill here the resume, and then go to click the submit button, then you will be applicable here. And this is the format in each and every field. So go and click the application form, fulfill the application form, and
I think
apply
this
here.
video is helpful to each and everyone who are eagerly awaiting from work from home job career. So if you want to start your career as work from home, then definitely be the part of Udita's Classroom by subscribe my channel, and if you like this type of content, do like, share, and let's comment in my comment section below what type of website review do you want or what type of job notifications do you want in future. And I will meet with you in the next day with the new informative video related about online money earning strategies, work from home job career, or writing tips and tricks. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thanks for watching, guys.